Just a couple of hoodlums in the hood doing some hood shit.
What is going on, guys? So I have not made a video for you in a while. Well, today I'm gonna go get my tune and hopefully it works. Watch the past two videos. I've explained why I've been having problems with my car, so go check them out now if you haven't yet. But hopefully it will work today. Oh, I set an alarm off. That's number 27. So hopefully it'll work today, and yeah, so let's go. Always set this car off, always. Now, so I was supposed to meet up with Robert, because I'm gonna go drop my car off, but he's not answering his phone, so I'm assuming he's sleeping. Yeah, so that sucks. Sorry I haven't been posting much. Like, I actually miss making vlogs and like doing car stuff. I haven't been to a car meet in over a month now. I've just been so busy working and just doing other things. I really hope that now I can start getting back into it, just so make more time for myself. I guess I'm gonna be staying there if Robert doesn't wake up anytime soon, because we're supposed to ride out there, so he's gonna take me back. This should be fun.
Oh, you brought your camera with you? That's so hot. Hey, what's up vlogging?
Alright, so Robert finally got me. I'm trying to figure out what to do, because hopefully my tune will work this time, and then my car will be running good again. So, alright, so we just did some munching at Panera Bread, and
Yeah, we did.
I got a video sent for me of my car, and the tune worked. So I am so happy, because now I don't have to take my DME out and send it to Active Tuning to get it done. So we finally were able to flash my tune, and that was the whole problem with all of this. So
Alright, this RC wants it.
then we're gonna go pick up my car and we'll get some videos. So yes, thank you, my car is finally running strong again. Up right now, and here he is. There she is. Oh, great parking job, you genius. Oh God, what are you doing?
Parking right here.
Okay, that works. Yeah, we're just parked on a driveway.
Also sounds louder, but it might be me.
I'm sure it might. No doubt it does. A little louder. And as soon as you can hear the RPMs drop, then yeah, it'll cut you every time you rev it. Fucking just gets nasty, man.
Still warming up.
Still warming up. When it doesn't pop, it means it's still warming up, so. Yeah, that's a lot louder. Holy shit, that sounds amazing. Oh, it's sick. Alright, so finally, my DME is flat, or my car. You shut up. Get your Honda out of here. finally my car's tuned. So let's hear it. Yeah, let's get rolling, right? Huh? Yeah, you can.
Jesus. Oh, hello. Say hi to Car Geeks.
Made it to Fort Lauderdale. We're gonna rip up this tunnel.
Yeah, with that cop right there.
We gotta let this cop go first.
Yeah. You're still gonna rip it, right?
He's a bike, he'll rip it.
Make noise! Just a couple of hoodlums in the hood doing some hood shit. Where am I going? Oh, where is he going? Oh, he's going that way. Hey! You wanna honk? Alright, hey! 1, 2, 3. Oh my fucking... Oh my god! That was so loud! Hey, go down more, down!
Well, that was ridiculous hearing that in the tunnel. So I think we're heading out now, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So finally my car has its tune and it is running good again. Definitely we'll be posting more this week hopefully, and just in general because I want to and I haven't been. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and tell me what you guys think in the comments below about my car. So see you next time.
You make a lot of noise.